Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am showing you how to make conch salad. If you're wondering, conch is a sea mollusk, and conch salad is very similar to ceviche. It is very popular in West Indian and Caribbean islands. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need: salt, black pepper, onion, bell peppers. I use 3 different colors, you don't have to. Cucumber, celery, tomatoes, lots of limes, habanero peppers. Again, you can use Scotch bonnet, but I don't really like the flavor of Scotch bonnet raw. And the conch itself. And yes, use fresh lime juice. Do not use bottled lime juice at all. Okay, so this is how I diced everything up. I try to dice everything relatively the same size. The peppers and the onions you definitely want smaller. And the cucumber and the tomatoes, it's not really a big deal, but you can leave the seeds in or take them out of the peppers. I leave the seeds in because we like it spicy. Alright, so now you're going to clean up your conch. You're going to slice the skin off as much as possible because some of it is pretty tough. Some not as tough as others, but I use a paring knife, or you can use a vegetable peeler. It's up to you. You're going to get as much of that off as you can, and then you're going to take the conch and lay it down flat. And I still work with it while it's still a little frozen. It's totally up to you. And I just take a knife and I slice it all the way down because I'm going to pound the conch to tenderize it. And see, I just put it in a plastic bag and tenderize it. You're going to use the pointed side to pound it to help tenderize it. And you're just going to do this until it's flattened, and then you can notice the difference in the texture of the conch. And once I'm done with that, I go and I rinse the conch. I dice the conch up and I rinse it, wash it with some lime juice, and then rinse it again, and then go to prepare it. Take my lime juice. You're not going to pour this lime juice off. I add my conch to my lime juice and I let this set for about an hour or so just to continue tenderizing the conch. And then I add some salt. Okay, so after you've let the conch set, remember, do not pour this lime juice off. You're going to go ahead and add in your seasonings. You're going to add in your black pepper. You can add in cayenne pepper. I didn't have any more cayenne pepper, so you can add in some cayenne pepper. You can add in some red pepper flakes if you want, and along with your other vegetables. I'm making this 2 different spice levels, so I haven't added my habaneros yet. But if you're just making it for, 1 spice level, then you go ahead and add in your habaneros as well. And you just want to thoroughly mix this. And you want as much conch as you have of all the vegetables combined. You do not want to be stingy with the conch. This is how I make mine. I understand your grandma Gertrude probably don't make hers like this. I get it. But this is Monice's kitchen, not Gertrude's kitchen. Okay. Just so you know. All right. So you have that thoroughly mixed. You're going to then add in your pepper. See, I'm separating it so that I can make 2 different spice levels. And I'm going to make sure I have lime juice in each one. But you leave the seeds in if you want it spicy. The best thing to do is to let it set overnight. But some people couldn't wait. So, But go ahead and let it set overnight and then serve. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and add in your habaneros. And then your hot sauce. Add as much hot sauce as you like. You don't have to add hot sauce if you don't want to, but I do. Just whatever hot sauce you like. You don't have to buy any particular brand of hot sauce. Just your favorite hot sauce, that's what you add. And then, like I said, you're going to let it set overnight. Cover it tightly. I put it in a bowl with a lid on it, and I turn it over ever so often throughout the night and the next day. And then I just, I serve it that way. And this is what your final product looks like. It should be well seasoned. You should taste the lime. And you should taste all the vegetables. All your vegetables should be very fresh. So thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.